2026-2025 marks 76 years of India as a republic. A day to celebrate our journey of unity, democracy, and progress. Today, let's hear from us, the future of India.
Our constitution gave us the rights and duties that makes us free, fair and equal. It's the backbone of our democracy.
Republic Day reminds us that we have the freedom to share our ideas, speak our thoughts, and stand up for what is right. It's a power that we respect and cherish.
India has 29 states and over 1600 languages. Republic Day shows how we all come together to form one beautiful nation.
As students, it is our turn to dream big and work hard to make India proud, as we hold the responsibility to take our country to greater heights.
As Gurukul students, we honor the sacrifices of our past and pledge to build a brighter future. This 76th Republic Day, we pledge to uphold the values of our great nation.
ये स्कूल सोचता है